Well, I'm back with another miniature unboxing. Funny thing is this came the same day as my previous unboxing, but I was so excited to get the first one, I didn't even open this package until after the video was done. So I don't think this is just like the other ones, though. That's why I got it, because it looks quite different. If you can see, these cats, they're like flat. They're not three-dimensional like the ones that come in like other kits. So I'm going to open this up and see if it doesn't look like it's going to be too difficult. I might just do this project upstairs so that I can have something going on while I'm up here as well. All right, I already took the plastic off, but now I'm going to see if I can do this one-handed. Yeah, quick video. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I got the sleeve off. I just forgot to show you on the back how the other one showed you what kind of materials it has in it. The main material in this one is wood, paper, and metal. I've never worked with one with metal, so yeah, let's check it out. Again, it's from Rolife, and here's our instruction book. I can pretty much be certain it's going to be in English if it's from Rolife. Looking at this, I think it's going to be just as complicated and difficult, or, I mean, detailed as the other ones. I mean, there's a lot of cats, and you got to put them together. There's a back and a front, and speaking of cats, there's my mouse. His name is Mouse. So, I don't know. I might be able to do this upstairs. I don't know. There's a lot of pages. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's see what comes with. What's in this one? This is some wooden pieces. Looks like the slide and other parts. And then we've got our fiber fill for pillows, some twine, and other bobs, and those other things were the edges to the slide, and this is the actual slide itself. Tesslynn saw this and she goes, "It looks like a toy. I want to play with it." I'm like, after I spend as many hours as it takes putting one of these together, I'm not going to let it be played with. I'm sorry. So there's that bag. And then this bag has the electrical stuff for the lights, and then some other things. And this one, they give you a plastic pair of tweezers. Interesting. I've not seen them come with plastic before. So there's that. And then here's like the wooden frame to the house. The cute paw prints. Oh, by the way, this one's called, I think it's called the cat house. Cat house, yes. And I had looked for this one and couldn't find it, so I got it on Amazon. And I'll link it down below. Oh, look, here is more of the building, and we've got some cats, partial pieces of cats in there, and whoa, lots of stuff. More glue. We got, oh, this is so much more than the last one. A bunch of more wooden pieces. Not sure what, windows and stuff maybe. And we got this, wow, it's plastic. I thought it looked like a real wooden tree. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. And then here is, oh, I have to paint something. First one I've received that has to be painted. And then our last bag, oh my gosh, that's a lot of materials. But that's probably wallpaper along with the pillows and such. Yeah, that's cardboard, so I can't see through it. But yeah, there's a lot of pieces in there. That's pretty thick. And then it looks like it's the building, outline of the building. And then we have our, oh, what's this? This is a tip. Plastic or metal tweezers sent randomly. Okay. They put you a whole card in here just to tell you that your tweezers could be plastic. And then this is well, that's the base of the thing. You glue it onto and yeah, this is the part that you have to cut out. Yep. And looks like one of the cats is just a cutout. And your signs and whatnot. Your wallpapers and flooring. And, oh, the cats are actually paper. Oh, wait, no, I think you do put them on wood. Let me turn it right side up here. I don't know. I'll have to find out, but they look like they're on wood on the picture. So, and that's the awning. But it's like there's two cats of the same identical cat here. Same with this one. So I don't know. I definitely read instructions, which is very important to do on these sorts of things. And read over it over and over again until you make sure you understand what it means. And see, this is a whole nother set of instructions for paint the front, back, and side of this part. Okay, this must be the painting, what you're supposed to paint or whatnot. I don't know. But this is just the actual size of the pieces. This is your inventory for the pieces. This is my other cat. One of the bags fell on the floor and he's playing with it now. So, yeah, this is an inventory of parts, I think. And it tells you where you're supposed to paint. Okay. Well, I might do it up here. I don't know. It looks very detailed, and if I'm going to do it, I'm not going to do it tonight. Oh, I was just seeing if there was something else in there. There's just, I don't know if this piece of cardboard is used in it, but I'm going to leave it for now. All right, guys. Well, that is our cat house. Let's pet the cats together. This is actually a very thick manual. Oh, boy. But yeah, don't those look like they're put on wood? They don't, I mean, they're standing up. They do look like they're pieces of wood. I couldn't imagine that they're just those pieces of paper. I guess there's a lot more to this than I thought. Every little thing in here has to be put together. And it just doesn't seem like there's a lot when you're looking at the picture, but then when you look in the book, it looks like there's a lot more. So, wish me luck, and I will keep you guys updated on when I start this and how it's going. So, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy crafting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.